Hello class 10. I am continuing the chapter named Sphere. Exercise 12. I will start sum number 16. Essay question, essay type question. Sum number 1 is the numerical values of volume and whole surface area of a solid hemisphere are equal. Let us write the length of radius of the hemisphere. That is, here volume and whole surface area of solid hemisphere is equal. If radius is sum number 61, if radius equal to r unit, so I get volume of solid hemisphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube into half equal to this volume of solid hemisphere equal to half in the half into the volume of the sphere, and curved surface area is here curved surface area is 3 pi r square. Okay, 2, that is 2 pi r cube equal to 9 pi r square. Pi cancel out. R cube by r square equal to 9 by 2, that is r equal to therefore r equal to 4.5 r equal to 4.5 unit. 4.5 unit. Okay, first sum is over and second sum is second sum. The curved surface area of solid sphere is equal to the surface area of solid right circular cylinder if the lengths of both height and diameter of cylinder are 12 centimeter. Let us the radius of the sphere. Let radius of sphere equal to r unit and radius of cylinder equal to 12 by 2 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter, and height of cylinder equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, I have the curved surface area of the solid sphere equal to 3 pi r square equal to the surface area of the solid right circular cylinder, that is 2 pi into r into h. Okay, here r square equal to pi cancel out, 2 into 6 into 12 by 3 2s are. Curved surface area of solid sphere. Sorry, this is solid sphere. That is equal to 4. That is equal to 4. That is equal to 4. So 6 is not cancel out. 4, 3. This is 6 into 6. Therefore 6. Therefore r equal to 36 and r square equal to 36. R equal to 6. Here r square equal to 36, we get r equal to 6. R equal to 6 unit. Okay. Sum number 63. Whole surface area of a solid hemisphere is equal to the curved surface area of the solid sphere. If R is the radius of the whole surface area of a solid hemisphere equal to the curved surface area of the solid sphere. Let us write the ratio of the length of the radius of hemisphere and sphere. Okay. Small r, radius of hemisphere. If small r equal to radius of hemisphere and capital R equal to radius of sphere. Okay, that is area of solid hemisphere 3 pi r square equal to 4 pi r square. Pi cancel out, r square by capital R square equal to 4 by 3. That is small r is to capital R equal to 2 is to 3. Root 3. 2 is to root 3. 2 is to root 3. Sum number 4. If curved surface area of the solid sphere is S and volume V, let us write the value of the S cube by V cube. If radius equal to R unit, then curved surface area S equal to 4 pi r square unit square, and volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube unit cube. I calculate S cube by V square, that is 4 pi r square cube and 4 by 3 pi r cube whole to the power square equal to 4 cube into pi cube into r to the power 6 by 4 cube into pi square into r to the power 6 into 3 square. Okay, equal to 4 cube pi cube r6 4 square pi square r6 3 to the power square r to the power 6 r to the power 6 pi square pi 4 square 4, that is 36 pi. That is 36 pi. Answer is 36 pi. Sum number 4 is over, and I will go sum number 5. If the length of radius of a sphere is increased by 50%, let us write how much percentage will be increased in curved surface area. If radius equal to R unit, new radius equal to R plus 50 into R by 100, that is 3R by 2 unit. Okay, 3R by 2 unit. When radius is R, then curved surface area is 4 pi r square, and new curved surface area 4 pi 3r by 2 whole square, that is 4 pi 9r square by 4. That is 4 cancel out. 9 pi r square. Nine pi r square. That is change, decreased. Sorry, increased curved surface area. Increased curved surface area equal to 9 pi r square minus 4 pi r square. That is 5 pi r square. Unit square. Unit square. Then percentage is 4 pi r square, 5 pi r square by 4 pi r square. Increased percentage is into 100%. That is 4 into 125%. That is the increased percentage of curved surface area. Increased percentage of equal to increased percentage of curved surface area. I am ending here. The next sum will come in the next video.